All right, welcome to another training from your friend Ojasweb. Today I want to talk about landing page, and I want to explain how your landing page can affect the performance of your advertisement and how you'll be able to know whether the performance is actually being affected by the landing page or the advertisement itself. So right on the board, I want to show you something. So let's say you are advertising on Facebook or Google, and then you set up your advertisement on, let's say, Google for this case. You advertise your business on Google, then you decide to send traffic to your landing page. And when I say landing page, I'm referring to the page on your website where people see immediately they click on your advertisement from wherever they see the advert on the internet. So your advert on Google, you set it up. It could be on Google search, it could be on YouTube, or it could even be on maybe Gmail. So when people see your advertisement, they click on the advertisement and they visit your landing page. So this is your landing page, and then this is where people take action on your website. And whatever action you want them to take on your website is going to be recorded as conversion. Now that you set up your advert on Google and your advert has been showing on maybe Google search, YouTube, or Gmail, and people start clicking on the advert and they are visiting your landing page. So people have been visiting your landing page. Now you want to know what exactly is affecting the performance of your advertisement and why are you not getting enough conversion as you expect from the advertisement. Now there are two major metrics we use to determine where the problem is coming from. When you start running the advert on Google, one major metric we use to know whether the advert is working well or not is the CTR, and that is called click-through rate, CTR, click-through rate. And what exactly is this CTR? The CTR is calculated in percentage. So when you serve your advert on Google search, for example, each time somebody sees your advert on Google, they can decide whether to click on the advert or not. Now, when they click on the advert, they arrive on your landing page. So if 100 people see your advertisement, and maybe just 10 of them click on the advertisement, that means the CTR will be 10%. That is 10 people out of 100 people that see your advertisement on Google. Now, if you are running advertisement on Google search and you realize that the CTR of the advertisement is very high, let's say your CTR is about maybe 35%. For example, this is not realistic. I'm just using this as an example. Let's say your CTR is 35%, which means that out of 100 people that see your advert on Google search, 35 of them are clicking on the advert and they are visiting your landing page. And in a situation like this, we can say that the advertisement is absolutely amazing. Your advertisement is driving people to your landing page, and the next line of action right now is for your landing page to be able to convert these people to your customer or whatever you want them to do on your website. Now, how are we able to tell that your advert is working very well? We are able to tell that the advert is working very well because the CTR is very high, 35%. Out of 100 people that see the advertisement, 35 of them click on the advert. And now what they do on your landing page is going to be determined by how you design the landing page. If you are someone that is advertising a physical product you want to sell, probably when people visit the landing page, you want them to buy the product on your landing page. You want them to buy whatever you are selling on the landing page. Now, if out of 35 people that visit the landing page, none of them buy what you are selling, that means we are saying that the conversion rate on your landing page is 0. And that brings us to the second metric we use to know where the problem is coming from. The first one is the CTR, which is this one you're seeing right here. And the second one right now is the conversion rate. The CTR is going to be used to determine how many people actually see the advert and how many of them click on the advert to visit your landing page. And now when they arrive on your landing page, the conversion rate is what we're going to be using to determine how many of the people that arrive on your landing page actually perform the desired action you want them to perform. If the desired action is for them to buy something on your landing page, Then out of the 35 people that arrive on the landing page, how many of them actually buy what you are selling on the landing page? If 0 of them buy from your website, then the conversion rate will be 0%. And in this case, who are we going to blame for that condition? We are going to blame it on your landing page because your advertisement has done excellently well by sending 35 people out of 100 people that see your advertisement, by sending them to your landing page, and now your landing page refuses to convert any of the 35 people that visit the landing page to your customer. So with this, you will be able to tell that your next line of action is to optimize your landing page so that you can start getting conversion on your landing page. Now, how are you going to optimize your landing page? This is going to be determined by so many factors. In fact, we need to first audit the landing page to know what is working and what is not working. And this is again why you need to track your landing page and see why people are dropping off on the landing page. If people have visited the landing page and maybe instead of them strolling from the top to the bottom, they are not strolling at all and they are exiting from the top, that could be a major reason why they are not performing any action on your landing page. And again, if your call to action, that is where they should be able to take action on the website, is not very visible or not friendly, they might be exiting the landing page without converting on your website. So there are so many things we need to take into consideration before we'll be able to say the exact reason why the landing page is not performing well. And again, one of the things we do in order for us to tell if the landing page is actually the problem is by using the A/B testing approach. And what does A/B testing mean? It means instead of us editing this particular landing page, we'll be creating a different landing page with different design and be sharing the traffic that comes from the adverts among the two landing pages. Now, if the second landing page is now giving us, out of the 35 people that visit the landing page, maybe we're now getting maybe 2 conversions. That means 2% conversion rate. So if we are getting 2% conversion rate from the second landing page and we are getting 0% conversion rate from this one, it tells clearly that this landing page is the problem and this is working better. And that way, we can shut down the advert from sending people to this particular landing page and then allow all the traffic to go to this landing page. So this way, we have been able to tell whether the problem is from the advert or the landing page. But on contrast, if we now start running the advert and we realize that out of 100 people that see the advert, only 2 people visit the landing page. That shows that 2% CTR. CTR is 2%. That is extremely low. With 2% CTR, it means that a lot of people are seeing the advert and they are not interested in the advert, and that is why they are not visiting the landing page. They are not clicking on the advert. And in that situation, we have to work on the advertisement. We have to work on the advert and improve the advert so that the advert can convince more people to click on it so that they can visit the landing page, then perform the desired action we want them to perform on the landing page. By the way, let me quickly mention that 2% CTR might not be extremely bad depending on the type of advertisement you are running on Google. If you are running search advertisement, 2% is bad. You want to increase the ad relevancy so that you can get higher CTR from Google search. If you are running YouTube ad, 2% is not that bad because YouTube works different from the Google search. On YouTube, people have to watch your video before they eventually click on the advertisement. So if they watch the video and they did not click on the advert, you have to first of all look at the view rate and then look at the percent of the videos that are viewed. Then you'll be able to determine whether the advertisement is the problem or not. But most importantly, if you are getting 2% CTR from Google search, the problem is from the advertisement, and then you need to go ahead and work on the advert and improve the relevancy so that you can increase the CTR to something about 15, 20, 25 or 35%, and then you now see what the next action is, whether your landing page is giving you the desired result or not. So these are the 2 major metrics we use to determine where the problem is coming from. Is it from the advert or from the landing page? And I believe with this, you have learned something important in digital marketing, and you'll be able to apply this knowledge to help you get the best result from your advertisement on the internet. I hope you loved the video. If you have any question, feel free to ask and I will address every single question. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel at Ojasweb Digital Solution. Go ahead and like the video and share with your friends and family. Thanks and bye for now.